हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज की इस वीडियो में जैसे मैंने पिछली वीडियो में करवाया था क्लास 7 का चैप्टर नंबर 6 रेस्पिरेशन इन ऑर्गेनिज्म, जिसमें हमारा हाफ हो चुका है एंड दिस पार्ट 2 ऑफ दैट वीडियो. In this video, we are going to start from the topic which we have ended in the behind video. From page number 64, we are going to start our journey to this video. So let us start. So this lime water and this straw, this is approaches to the exhalation air on the line to her mouth. And so let us start from this blue box. The percentage of oxygen and carbon dioxide inhalation and exhalation. So inhalation 21% oxygen and it's 0.04% carbon dioxide, and in exhalation of air it's 16.4% of oxygen and 14.4% carbon dioxide. So breathing in other animals, so we are going to check here breathing in other animals in this video. Animals such as elephant, lion, cows, goats, frogs, lizards, snake, birds have lungs in their chest cavity like the human being. How do other organisms breathe? Do they have lungs? Or do they didn't breathe? Such you can take the example of cockroach. A cockroach has a small opening on the side of its mouth body. So it's a side picture. And this the side of the cockroach, it in the other body, and the sim and other insects can also have the similar opening. जो other animals हैं और organisms हैं उनके पास भी इस तरीके से same हो सकता है. So these openings are called, जो openings है इन्हें बोलते हैं spiracles. सो जो ओपनिंग होती है जहां से कॉकरोच ब्रीथ इन करते हैं उसे बोलते हैं स्पाइरकल्स. एंड इंसेक्ट हैव अ नेटवर्क ऑफ एयर ट्यूब्स कॉल्ड ट्रैकीज. सो इंसेक्ट जो होते हैं उनके पास जो एयर ट्यूब का भी नेटवर्क होता है, उस टाइप से नेटवर्क नहीं, इंटरनेट और उस टाइप से, ये अलग टाइप का नेटवर्क है. सो नेटवर्क होता है जिसका नाम है ट्रैकिशन फॉर गैस एक्सलाइजेशन. Oxygen rich air rushes through spiracles into the tracheal tube, diffused into the body tissues, and reached every cells of the body. So oxygen होता है जो rich होता है rushing through the spiracles and the tracheal tubes. So discuss into the body tissues and the every cell of the body. Similarly, carbon dioxide from the cells goes into the tracheal tube. So जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होती है वो ट्रेकल ट्यूब से डायरेक्ट जाती है ट्रैक्टल ट्यूब एंड थ्रू spedicles. So these air tubes and all traces are found only in insects and not in any other group of animals. So ये जो चीज है ट्राइसेकल्स, it is only and only found in the insects, not in the other group of animals, as you can see birds and all. So it's a tricycle system here. Tricycle is given, as you can see. And another example is earthworm. Basically, you have reached in chapter 6 of class 6. The earthworm breathe through their skin. Yes, obviously you have read this. And the skin of an earthworm feel moist and slimy on touching grass. Gases can easily pass through them. जो गैस होती है वो अर्थवॉर्म के अंदर से इजिली पास कर सकती है एंड दे ब्रीथ थ्रू देयर स्किन। थॉट, थिंक दैट frogs have a pair of lungs। जो frogs है उनके पास भी lungs होते हैं humans की तरह। They can also breathe through their skin। और वो skin से भी breathe कर सकते हैं which is moist and slippery। And the skin of frog is slippery and slimy. Then it's expensive. So do you know the fish breathe through their gills? Gills are the protection of the skin. Gills are the protection of skin. You have wondered how gills help in breathing. Gills are well supplied with blood vessels. जो gills होते हैं उनके अंदर blood vessels होती है for exchanging the oxygen। So this area, this bones type you are seeing here, it's known as gill and it's a fish. Do plants also respire? Like other living organisms, जैसे और living organisms होते हैं, इस type से plants भी survive करते हैं and they also respire. I hope you have learned it in class 6. They also take in oxygen for the air and give out carbon dioxide. No, it's false. Sorry. In the cell, oxygen is used to break down glucose into the carbon dioxide. So जो cells होते हैं plants के वो यूज किए जाते हैं ब्रेक डाउन करने के लिए ग्लूकोज को इनटू द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। Sorry. And water in the another organism. In plants, each part can independently take in oxygen and the air and give out the carbon dioxide. So plant के हर part, प्लांट का हर पार्ट इंडिपेंडेंटली ऑक्सीजन को अंदर ले सकता है और ऑक्सीजन को बाहर छोड़ सकता है। And you have already learned in the chapter 1 that the leaf of the transpiration in the tiny pores called stomata and exchanging of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So importance of stomata, it's an important question and I hope you have done it. So, like all the another organisms have cell of the plants and the root cells are needed oxygen in the germinate energy. So, जैसे प्लांट्स होते हैं और अनदर ऑर्गेनिजम्स की तरह प्लांट्स में भी सेल होते हैं, रूट्स में भी, लीव्स में भी, and all which is used to generate energy and the roots take up the air from the air space present between the soil particles. So जो roots है वो भी breath in and out करती हैं in the present the space between the soil and the air particles. So this is the diagram for that. And can you guess what would happen? Can you guess what would happen in the potted plant in onwards? In the chapter you have learned and the process all the living organisms need to respire energy for their survival. So this is an important point and these are keywords and these words I have done in the part 1 of respiration in the organisms. So for more such videos of any class, you can subscribe to our channel and you can have a comment that what would the content which you want in your next chapter or in the next video. I will always dictate you that. So these are some keywords. Let us discuss these. So it's Aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration, breathing rates, circular respiration, diaphragms, exhalation, lungs, gills, inhalation, spidicles, trachees, and ribs. So for more such videos, subscribe. Bye.